Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Starlink Gen 2 beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Starlink Gen 2, start by unboxing the kit. Inside, you will find the satellite dish, tripod, power supply, and cables. Identify a good location for your satellite dish. Look for an area with a clear view of the sky, free from obstructions like trees or buildings. Next, place the dish on the tripod. Make sure it's stable and secure before proceeding. Connect the dish to the power supply using the provided cables. Ensure the connections are snug to avoid any power loss. Now, plug the power supply into an electrical outlet. Wait for a few moments as the dish powers up and begins the initialization process. Once powered on, download the Starlink app on your smartphone. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the in-app instructions to scan your dish and detect its location. The app will guide you to optimize the placement for best signal reception. Once the app confirms a clear signal, proceed to set up your Wi-Fi network. Choose a network name and password that you can remember. After entering the details, save your settings to activate your Wi-Fi. The dish will continue to calibrate and may take a few minutes to complete this process. When the light on the dish turns green, you are connected. You can now connect your devices to the newly created Wi-Fi network. Test the connection by browsing a website or streaming content. If you encounter issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the app. Now, enjoy your Starlink Gen 2 internet service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.